Okay, so I think we had success with that pivot. As you can see, the arm is floating on the pivot. I can set the tracking weight, vertical tracking force, or VTA adjustment. If I loosen it, the arm should go up. Correct. If I tighten it, the arm should go down. It's a pretty nice tracking adjustment knob I never had. There you go. Put it in the middle. The only problem is, well, first of all, the repair's in here. Let's see if I can get in there. I never know where the lens is on this thing. Here we go. Repair is in there. And as I luckily rightly guessed, there is clearance for the repaired part, which is there on the left. And the other ones, the originals there on the right. So there is clearance. And it works. Now all I have to figure out to do is open up the horizontal bearing because they have a problem. Yay. Excuse me. What's up with the focus here, folks?